Welcome to KVR Social Classes. This video is meant for 10th class students. First lesson, India Relief Features. In this video, we learn how to draw Tropic of Cancer. How to draw Tropic of Cancer on India outline map. Second one, how to memorize the names of the states through which Tropic of Cancer passes in a sequence from west to east. Memorize the states. Third one, how to draw Indian standard meridian on India outline map. Indian standard meridian on India outline map, and know about the states through which Indian standard meridian passes. We know these four concepts in this video. This map is given in our textbook. Observe this Tropic of Cancer. This line, you observe this line. I am drawing this line from west to east. What is it? It is Tropic of Cancer. 23 and half degrees, 23 and half degrees north latitude is called Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer divides India into two halves. Tropic of Cancer divides India into two halves. Now, I draw the Tropic of Cancer on India map having state borders. This is Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, Mizoram. This is the Tropic of Cancer. Through how many states it passes? 8 states. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Through 8 states, Tropic of Cancer passes in our India. First state name is Gujarat. Next, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, Mizoram. Now, this type of map is not given in examination because this map has state boundaries. But in our examinations, outline map is given. When outline map is given, how to draw Tropic of Cancer? First you observe the map and first you draw a small line at here. This is Tripura. Here, this is Mizoram. Next you draw a small line center of this center. You imagine that this is a curve. This is a curve. And in center you draw a small line. Now we have 3 lines, 3 small lines. This is a small line at Tripura, a small line at Mizoram, a small line. Now you join these lines. This is the Tropic of Cancer. Okay, right here 23 N of North. Don't forget to write north. You should write north because there is another latitude 23 and of degrees south, that is Tropic of Capricorn. So you should write this word N besides the 23 and of degrees. This is the trick. First you draw a small line at Tripura, at Mizoram, two small lines, and imagine that this is C. This is C. In the center you draw a small line. Next you join these three small lines with a big line, then it will form a straight line, that is 23 and of degrees north latitude, that is Tropic of Cancer. Next, how to remember these 8 states in a sequence. First one, Gujarat. I am writing in Telugu because I prepared a memory trick in Telugu. So, first one, Gujarat. Second one, Rajasthan. Third one, Madhya Pradesh. Fourth one, Chhattisgarh. Fifth one, Jharkhand. Sixth one, Paschima Bengal. Seventh one, Tripura. Eighth one, Mizoram. These are the 8 states. Through which Tropic of Cancer passes from west to east. It is easy to remember the first and second states. It is easy to remember, and also last one also. First one we can easily memorize the first one. We easily memorize the last one. Generally, first one, last one we memorize easily. Second one also we memorize easily. Remaining 5. There are remaining 5 states. For this, I prepared a memory trick. Do you know Japatri? Do you know about Japatri? It is one of the spices. మసాలా దినుసులు తెలుగులో మసాలా దినుసులు. మసాలా దినుసుల్లో జాపత్రి అనే ఒక మసాలా దినుసు ఉంటుంది. ఇది మీరు గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. And also imagine that it has a scar and మచ్చ. ఈ జాపత్రికి మచ్చ ఉన్నదని ఊహించుకోండి. ఈ జాపత్రి అనేది ఒక మసాలా దినుసు, దీనికి ఒక మచ్చ ఉన్నదని ఊహించుకోండి. అప్పుడు దిస్ వర్డ్ మచ్చ జాపత్రి. గుజరాత్, రాజస్థాన్. We can easily remember these first one and second one. Next, you Macha Japatri. This word you remember. Macha Japatri. This word you have to remember this word. Last one, Mizoram. We easily remember this. First one, second one, last one. We easily remember this. To memorize these 5 states, you remember this word. Macha Japatri. Ma, Madhya Pradesh. There is also Maharashtra also is there, but this Tropic of Cancer through middle of our state. Middle అంటే మధ్య. మిడిల్ అంటే మధ్య. ట్రాపిక్ ఆఫ్ క్యాన్సర్ దేశం మధ్యలోంచి వెళ్తుంది కాబట్టి మా అంటే మధ్యప్రదేశ్ అని మనం గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. Because the Tropic of Cancer passes through middle of our country. Middle means madhya. So we can easily remember that Ma means Madhya Pradesh. Cha, Chhattisgarh. Ja, Jharkhand. Pa, Paschim Bengal. In English, West Bengal. 3, Tripura. Mizoram. This is the memory trick to remember the states in a sequence. Next we know about the Indian Standard Meridian. Indian Standard Meridian. Look at this map. Look at this line. This is Indian Standard Meridian. Indian Standard Meridian. 82 and a half degrees east longitude. Don't forget to write E, because there is also another 82 and a half degrees longitude. That is west. This is east. So don't forget to write E. 82 and a half degrees east longitude. This is the Indian Standard Meridian. Observe once again. What is this? This is Indian Standard Meridian. The time happens here. We follow this time all over the India. The time happens here. We follow entire India. So this is the Indian Standard Meridian. Okay. Now you observe this here. You imagine that this is W. This curve. Here is a curve, again up and curve. This is the word W. Imagine like that. Then you can easily draw the Indian Standard Meridian. Look at this. This is W. You put a small line here. And this is Sri Lanka. Put a small line besides touching the border of Sri Lanka. You put a small line. In this W, you put here a small line. Then and also this is Nepal. Here you put a small line. Now we can easily draw the Indian Standard Meridian by joining these lines. This is the simple trick to draw Indian Standard Meridian. Right here 82 and of degrees E. Don't forget to write E. 82 and of degrees east longitude. Here you observe here. We also know about the states through which Indian Standard Meridian passes. This is W. This is, imagine this is W. Put a small mark. This is Nepal. This is Nepal. You put here a small line. Now I am drawing the Tropic of Cancer. Observe it. Which state? This state is Uttar Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh. This is Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, like that. So first one Madhya Pradesh, second one, first one Uttar Pradesh, second one Madhya Pradesh, third one Chhattisgarh, fourth one Orissa, fifth one Andhra Pradesh. So Indian Standard Meridian passes through how many states? 5 states. 5 states. First one Uttar Pradesh, second one Madhya Pradesh, third one Chhattisgarh, fourth one Orissa, fifth one Andhra Pradesh. First one Uttar Pradesh. This matcha is common in both Tropic of Cancer and Indian Standard Meridian. Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. We easily remember the first one and last one. First one is Uttar Pradesh, last one is Andhra Pradesh. This is our state, so we easily remember this. Starts from Uttar Pradesh, so we easily remember the Uttar Pradesh. Orissa is located to north of Andhra Pradesh. So this word matcha is common in both Tropic of Cancer and Indian Standard Meridian. So Uttar Pradesh, first one Uttar Pradesh, last one Andhra Pradesh. The state which is north to Andhra Pradesh, Orissa. The word matcha, you remember matcha. Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. So we easily remember these 5 states in a sequence. Now I draw this Indian Standard Meridian on India outline map. First you draw a small line besides the Sri Lanka border and imagine that this is W, this is W. Here you put here a small line and you fold here, make sure that this should be straight, you can easily draw the Tropic of Indian Standard Meridian. In the examinations you use scale to draw a line. This is a trick. This is a trick to draw Indian Standard Meridian on India outline map. Sometimes in the examinations this Sri Lanka may not be there. Sometimes. Then how to draw Indian Standard Meridian? If there is no Sri Lanka in the map given in examinations, then you only put a small mark here. This is the put a small mark. What is this? This is W. Put small mark and fold. Put your finger here and fold like this. Like this you fold here. Make sure that this should be straight. Then you draw a line along this fold using scale. This is the Indian Standard Meridian. Right, 82.5 degrees east. This is about Indian Standard Meridian. Thank you.